Hello friends and welcome back to the Regression channel. So friends, today we talk about Colorfire GeForce RTX 5080 iGame Vulcan wide graphics card with 4 fans. So friend, the Colorful has announced iGame Ultra and the iGame Advance for the mid-range and iGame Vulcan and Neptune as a flagship product series, and sometime Colorful also introduced the Kudan series as a limited edition for overclocking, but this doesn't appear to be standard strategy anymore. So friend, the iGame Vulcan is already available in black color design, but the official product has thus but the official product page does not mention new white version. However, the company is sharing picture on its social media and the card listed on official store. It's worth nothing. The colorful still doesn't have official distribution in global market. So these cards are mostly limited to Asian region. And what's so unique about the RTX 5080 Vulcan is that feature for fans similar to Asus ROG Astral series, and the fourth fan is installed at the back and help push air out, and additionally the card inbuilt a built-in color screen attached via magnet. Users are not required to have the screen installed on the GPU. It can also placed on a separate USB power stand to display some information, customize graphics and GPU and system information, and the screen can function in both vertical and horizontal installation, and the card comes with dual bias feature, and there is a dedicated OC button on the bracket that enable the overclock profile with 2685 MHz boost. Otherwise it run at 2617 MHz, and the card measures 360 into 149 into 71 mm without the bracket and require 116-pin power cable and at least 1000-watt power supply. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.